So what am I doing right now? I am charging the glow in the dark on the hood of the car. And when I turn it off, the whole hood, or the stripes, should be illuminated. Ready?
That's insane. And just so we're clear, that it is a difference. Here's the other side that has not gotten the light. That's crazy. White, green. This is the up and coming Slimer paint job.
Well, hold on, let me turn the light on so everybody can see it.
Here you go, green. We get it with a regular light. Now look, oh, what is that? Come here, bro. This is sick. Look at this. Look at this. Now that's so sick that's so sick for a definition shot. Look how the side is where it's not getting the porch light, how the side of the strip is still green.